Hi, this is Dmitry with Amitak Group. Today I'm going to demonstrate how Amitak Accelerator helps launch a composable headless e-commerce setup for an imaginary B2B food distributor Persimmon. The solution is powered by Qwik framework, Builder.io headless CMS, and BigCommerce. Important, I'm launching it without a single line of code, so let's go. It all starts with installing the Amitak app. You specify your pre-prod URL and have our system do the heavy lifting for you to deploy your headless storefront connected to your BigCommerce instance and integrated with Builder.io. Our team created a complex design system accompanied by the most frequently used storefront components as well as templates in dark and light variations to build your own storefront in accordance with your brand guidelines. Feel free to grab our Figma to your drafts to create what best represents your brand. Now, I'm going to Theme Editor to turn the base Accelerator store into fully branded Persimmon store. Theme Editor allows me to manage every single aspect of the design system defined in Figma. Fonts, colors, logos, borders, shimmers, and a lot more in both dark and light modes. The Persimmon example is also available for you in Figma. Now it's just the mechanics of carrying over what you have in Figma to Theme Editor. So let's define fonts, border radius, shadows, In order to have the comprehensive design system in place, let's do the same for the dark mode. And upload logos, placeholders, and favicons. The theme definition is now complete. We can rebuild our store or download the theme and apply it later. Nothing is set in stone, and we can experiment as much as we need to. Now, when the store follows the Persimmon brand guidelines, it's time to fill it with perfect content. During the story creation process, we promoted multiple predefined Builder.io components along with several pages that utilize them. BigCommerce catalog is sourced to Builder.io and allows you to build multi-purpose product carousels, collections, and other types of content that sells. Builder.io gives you the power of visual editing, so I'm just a few clicks away from having a complete homepage in place. The Builder.io work is done, and now we have a content-rich homepage. The application will serve a light or dark theme depending on the client settings on any platform. Let's go back to the theme configurator and use pre-built B2B and B2C features to choose what needs to apply to your theme and store. We would like to have dark theme in place, barcode scanner, B2B registration flow, customer service representative impersonate feature, order guides, quick orders, as well as some of the features like cart state and listing pages, and structured data that allows you to create content that sells. Just use the toggles to enable or disable the features that you need. Now I'm going to demonstrate the creation of a recipe page that best represents structured data in Builder.io. At the same time, the page has a properly defined meta representation that allows search robots to identify it as a recipe. We're going to map products to ingredients to tailor the unique customer experience using our Composable Commerce toolset. In order to include just the necessary features, we need to rebuild the store. Thanks for your time and stand by for updates. Drop me a note or grab a time slot in my calendar if you would like to become an early adopter or looking to partner with us to build great things together.